Hey, what's going on everyone? I'm Chase at Rocky Mountain ATV MC, and today we are showing you the Z-Mud Fork Guards from Acerbis. Hey, what's going on everyone? Thank you for checking in. So today we are showing you just this Z-Mud Fork Guard from Acerbis. Just like the name says, it's an extra guard for your forks. It's just there to help prevent things like mud, dirt, sand, dust getting on your forks and possibly compromising your fork seals. We've all been there before. You're out there riding, having a good time. You look down and you're leaking fork oil. It's kind of a hassle because then you got to go change it out. So with these, very easy to install. It's just a ripstop nylon fabric. You've got some elastic on the top. These are going to work from a 46 to a 49 millimeter fork. But we've got them installed on this TX300. You just wrap this elastic around the top part of your fork and then it zips up on the back. And once you have it zipped up, it stays in place. And again, it's just an extra barrier to help prevent things like the dirt, the mud, and those getting onto your fork. So if you're looking for an extra way just to help protect your fork seals and keep those in good shape, it might not be a bad accessory to have on your motorcycle. Now these do come with zip ties, I will point out, but we didn't have to use them on this TX300, but they are there just in case you need them. But you can see 4 colorways available. Again, just added protection for your forks. If you have questions or comments, leave those below and we'll help get those answered. To grab yours, click on the link or just head to RockyMountainATVMC.com. If you like this little product spotlight, do yourself a favor. Get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel, hit that notification bell, and always stay up to date. I'm Chase. We'll see you on the trails.